Today our topic is accounting equation. Accounting equation means the statement of assets, liabilities plus owner equity. Assets mean the resources of business through which business is operated. While liability means obligations of business, promise of business which it has to pay outsiders. While owner equity means the claims of owner, the investment of owners and the profit which business will earn will add up with owner equity. So we start owner equity with important points. While we are preparing accounting equation, we have to keep in mind these important points. Number one is every transaction have two effects. So we take the example of these two effects. Let's suppose owner invested $50,000 into business. This is our first example that owner invested $50,000 in business. So cash is coming with business. We have to draw a column of cash. Similarly, we have to draw owner equity column where we will write the amount of owner equity. Owner invested $50,000 in business. So this is the twice effect. One effect is in cash, the second effect is in owner equity. We take another example. Let's suppose business has purchased building $5,000. So here our building will increase in the business or will add. It is asset. We will draw the column of building and the addition is 5,000. We have purchased this building on account. On account means that we have to make its payment in later stage. So we have to draw another column that is account payable. So here our liability has been increased with 5,000. Now we will draw the balance. We will calculate the balance. Our business has 50,000 cash, 5,000 building. Outsider claim is $5,000 while owner equity is $50,000. Now we take another example. Let's suppose we have purchased furniture. So furniture is our asset. Asset will increase. First we will draw the column of furniture. We have purchased this furniture for $15,000. So if we have purchased on cash, then our cash will decrease. If we have purchased this furniture on account, then our liability will increase. In this situation, we assume that we have purchased the furniture on cash. So our cash will decrease, furniture will increase. So furniture has been increased, this is first effect, and our cash has been decreased, this is second effect. Now we calculate the balance. Now we have $35,000 of cash, $5,000 of building, $15,000 of furniture. While our liability account payable is 5,000 and owner equity is $50,000. Number two important point. Three ways when our equity increases. Three ways when our equity increases. What are those three ways? First is when there is profit. When there is profit in business. For example, in our business, we have sold 10,000 furniture for 15,000. So our furniture will decrease 10,000. While we have sold this for $15,000, our cash will increase if we have received the payment. If we have sold the furniture on account, then we will add account receivable column. In this situation, we have assumed that we have sold 10,000 furniture for 15,000. Now 10,000 cost, 15,000 sale price, and we have earned $5,000 as a profit. Now we calculate the balance. Our cash is $50,000, while building is $5,000 and furniture is $5,000. Account payable is $5,000 and owner equity is $55,000. We have talked that when there is a profit in business, our equity increases. So here in this case, our equity has been increased 5,000. The second situation is our equity increases when there is a other income in the business. Other income means we have received commission, we have received 5,000 commission. So our equity will increase 5,000. And we have received the amount of commission in cash, so our cash will also increase. In this situation, we have told that we have received cash in the form of, we have received commission in the form of cash. In other cases, if we have not received the cash from commission, then our account receivable will increase 5,000. So here we will see what is the balance. Cash balance is $55,000, 5,000 building, furniture is 5,000, liabilities are 5,000, and our owner equity is $60,000. And third situation, when our owner equity increases. In what situation our owner equity increases? In third situation, when capital is invested. In the first situation, when owner have invested 50,000 in business, our owner equity has been increased with 50,000. Other effect was cash. So we have taken the examples of these three situations where our owner equity increases. First situation where our owner equity increase, second situation and third situation. Now we see the other three ways where owner equity decreases. Where owner equity decreases. Number one, in case of drawing, if owner uses the goods or cash of business for personal use, definitely owner equity will decrease. For example, owner withdrew $5,000 for his personal use, then our cash will decrease $5,000. On the other hand, our equity will decrease $5,000. So we take the balance again. Our cash now is $50,000. Building is $5,000. Furniture is $5,000. And liability account payable is $5,000. While owner equity is $55,000. Now we have got the point that in this situation, when owner withdrew cash for personal use, our owner equity has been decreased. The other situation, when there is a loss in business. If there is loss on any transaction, then our equity will decrease. For example, we have sold $5,000 furniture for $4,000. In this situation, cost was 5,000. We sold this for 4,000 and 1,000 is net loss. So when there is net loss, it will decrease our equity. It will decrease our capital. Now cash is $54,000, 5,000 building, and there is no furniture, while our liability is $5,000 and $54,000 is our equity. Third situation, when our owner equity decreases, when there are expenses in the business. When there would be expenses in our business, then our owner equity will also decrease. For example, business has paid rent expense 4,000 and it is paid in the form of cash. So our cash will decrease $4,000 and our equity will also decrease $4,000. In this situation, we see what is our balance. Cash is $50,000, building is $5,000, while there is no furniture, liability is $5,000 and capital is $50,000. Our assets and liabilities must be equal, as we have studied that assets are equal to liabilities plus owner equity. In this situation, we have total $55,000 and our liabilities are also $55,000. This is our answer. So these three cases where our owner equity will decrease, these are the three cases where our owner equity will increase.